Vertical Doors Inc., the #1 Lambo door manufacturer in the world.
Hi guys, Vertical Nick here, back in the shop, and I'm going to teach you guys something about greasing the shock bearing here. This is something that's missed by a lot of people. It's very essential to the proper functionality and longevity of these kits, and mainly avoiding having broken shocks. There's a bearing here in the bottom mount, and it has to be lubricated because it has to rotate. So what you need to do is you need to take your grease and put it in there, work it around. These brushes are a great way to do it. And then you can use a tool, just your 1/4" hex socket. Any socket that will fit in there will work. And you work it around to get the grease in there, that way it moves nice and freely. And then when you take your shock and install it, you also want to put some grease here on the bottom. And then you can slip your shock in like that. So the reason that this is important is because when this kit operates, when you open the door horizontally, the shock's going to need to rotate like that. If it can't rotate like that, if it binds up in this bearing, let's say you leave your car sit and rust forms in here, the first time when you go to open the door, this is going to rotate and this isn't, and this is going to break. So that's very important. Also, when you go up and down, this pivots. So if this can't pivot freely, it's going to cause it to bind up. It's going to cause you problems. So since this doesn't have a grease fitting like these other fittings, it's very important to apply the actual grease before the installation.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.